Through boom and bust, Position Partners is here to support your mine site operations with technology that saves time, cuts rework, and dramatically increases safety and productivity. With a dedicated team that takes the time to understand your workflows and transition new technology through effective change management, Position Partners offers unrivaled local, tailored support for mine sites of all sizes. Our team of more than 250 people throughout Australia, Southeast Asia and New Zealand is committed to delivering the best customer service and support. With a wide range of skill sets across engineering, surveying and software development, as well as mechanical, electrical and hydraulic trades, we connect the pieces to make technology work for you. Fleet management systems assist with operational improvements directly related to production and vehicle maintenance to top up productivity, cut costs and minimise risk. High-precision machine guidance empowers operators to work to the design, streamlining operations and increasing profitability. Backed by comprehensive reporting, these systems give you the ability to manage everything from efficiency to material movement. Long-range and intrinsically safe 3D laser scanning, traditional survey instruments and our all-day RTK network infrastructure give engineers and surveyors reliable mine-grade positioning and mapping tools. Our service centres offer repairs and calibrations for your machine guidance, survey drones, GPS and total stations, with manufacturer-trained technicians that keep your systems working at their best. From stockpile volumes to dozer push solutions and managing your fleet through accurate, integrated FMS, look to Position Partners for a technology supplier that understands your challenges and backs your mine site.